Ever wondered how such small creatures as ants manage to carry crumbs that seem way too large for them? The truth might astound you. Ants, as tiny as they are, possess an incredible strength that allows them to lift and carry objects that are 50 times their own body weight. Imagine if a human had that sort of power. Moving on to another insect with astonishing capabilities. Consider the cockroach. This creature can survive without its head for up to 9 days. Yes, you heard that right. 9 whole days. Now you might be wondering how this is even possible. Well, cockroaches don't breathe through their mouths like humans do. Instead, they breathe through spiracles or tiny holes in their body segments. So the loss of their head doesn't impede their respiration. However, without a mouth to eat or drink, they eventually die of starvation. The animal kingdom is full of surprises, isn't it? Let's switch gears and dive into the aquatic world. Have you ever heard the saying that a fish's memory lasts only 3 seconds? While this statement is largely a myth and varies between species, some fish do have short memory spans. Their brains are not designed to retain a lot of information, allowing them to focus on survival and adaptation to their environment. Back to insects, but this time we're not talking about survival but regeneration. Cockroaches once again make it to the list with their ability to live up to 4 days without their heads. This is due to their open circulatory system and the fact that their brains are not centralized, meaning they can control some movements and reactions from nerve tissue in their bodies. Finally, we turn our attention to the ocean's most feared predator, the shark. Sharks have an impressive dental arrangement. They lose over 6,000 teeth every year, but that's not a problem for them. Why, you ask? Because a new tooth grows back within a day. This constant tooth replacement ensures that they always have sharp teeth ready for their next meal. To summarize, we've learned about the incredible strength of ants, the headless survival of cockroaches, the short memory span of some fish species, the regenerative abilities of cockroaches, and the rapid tooth replacement of sharks. The animal kingdom continues to astonish us with its creatures' unique survival techniques and adaptations. So, next time you see an ant carrying a large crumb or a shark flashing its teeth, remember the remarkable capabilities that make these everyday occurrences possible.